Okay, so we're up the other side of Lisburn in this job. Pardon the indignation, but with this job here, the grass around this house to put a cherry picker up to get at this massive roof is was way over £1,000. So we had to do it with scaffold, throw up a scaffold up and down one day. Mountains of Mourne, sweep down to the sea, eh? Very nice. Anyway, they're still building these houses here, right? Look, they're still building these houses, but here's one that finished, right? And for some reason they insist on building them ridiculously high with these silly parapet roofs on. Like, there's nothing really wrong with that, but if you're going to do them, right, at least do them right, and get somebody that knows how to put, well, not ridge tiles or hip tiles, but make sure that you know how somebody. Let's do this. Do you know what I mean? Why would you ever build such an unearthly thing if you're not going to do it right? Because it makes it ridiculous to get up to it. So, anyway, do you know what I mean?